What's going on, everyone? You're watching RD Motoring, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight on a 2020 Chevy Malibu. Alright, so like I said, we got a 2020 Chevy Malibu, and specifically we're going to be looking at the outer housing here. This is where your brake lights and your turn signals are. Now, even though we're looking at a 2020 model, the process should be pretty similar for 2016 to 2020. First thing first, you got to open up the trunk. So if you look right here in the corner, you'll notice two plastic clips. You're just going to have to remove those first. First, I'm going to use just a regular flathead screwdriver just to get them a little bit further away from the carpet, and then just use a set of needle nose pliers to grip them from behind and then pull them straight out. Next, just pull the carpeting down so you can get to these nuts that are holding the housing on. You're going to need an 8mm socket and a ratchet wrench. There's three nuts back here holding the light on. You got one here, and then one back here. Next, you're going to need to pull this rubber grommet out of the body of the car. Just squeeze it together, and you can pull it straight out. Now to remove the housing, all you got to do is take it and pull it straight back from the car. Now the housing is separated from the car. In order to fully disconnect it, come to the back. There's a little plastic pin holding this wire in. Pull that straight out. Next, you take this plastic cover, turn it counterclockwise and pull it off. Inside, you see there's a tiny plug connected to a circuit board. There's a little clip on the top of the plug. All you need to do is push that down, and then you can pull the plug off. And there you have it. Brake light housing completely separated from the car. In order to put it back on or replace it with a new one, just follow all those steps in reverse. Plug in the pin. Attach the cover by pushing it in, then turning it clockwise. Push this pin back into the light right here. And then just slide your taillight back into the openings. Nothing's going to snap into place. It's just going to sit there until you get those nuts back on. Before you bolt everything back in, I would make sure that your brake lights and your turn signals work first. Come back around to the inside. Make sure you put this rubber grommet back in. You should be able to squeeze it together, and it'll sit just right on a little ridge in there. Next, just attach those three nuts. You don't have to make them too tight. You are just pulling on plastic back there, so you run the risk of breaking them. Once that's all done, you can just put your carpet back. Make sure it's tucked all nice behind the rubber seal. Take your little plastic clips. Pop one in there. And then the other up top. And that's all you gotta do to replace the brake light turn signal housing on your 2016 to 2020 Chevy Malibu. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and consider subscribing as I post a new video every week. Take care, everyone.